Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off or limit comments on Facebook posts. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap Followers and Public Content. Here, find the option Who can comment on your public posts and tap on it. Now choose the option you prefer, such as Friends or Friends of Friends, to limit who can comment on your posts. Once you select your preferred option, click on Save. The comment settings will be updated automatically. And that's it. Your Facebook post comments are now limited based on the option you selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.